Did you know that Treasury yields are rising and other countries are failing in their payment for their dollar-denominated loans? This is going to lead to a debt crisis, according to Michael Gade, portfolio manager and publisher of the Lead Lag report. Aside from its obvious economic effects, this could also destroy America's democracy. Gade's research shows that Treasury yields on a weekly basis have been rising 68.6% of the time in 2022. This is unprecedented. Rising yields could mean the government will not be able to pay its obligations and could resort to more money printing. That will put us right back to where we began and compound the already bad effects it has had on our economy. What Gade is worried about is the Fed and the government resorting to despotism or the exercise of absolute power. He said, and I quote, "Conditions create the monster." And what I'm really referring to is how the Weimar Republic created conditions for Hitler's rise to power. This is not to say that he thinks we are creating another Hitler. However, we could potentially see an economy reminiscent of that era, with its high inflation and debt troubles. These are exactly the same problems we are experiencing today. The numbers support his claim. The S&P 500 is down 18.5% year to date. Stocks like Tesla have dropped as much as 63%. There is also the contracting GDP and volatile international relations. Combined with high United States debt burdens, rising treasury yields, and inflation, we have the perfect recipe for an economic disaster. According to Gade's estimate, we have had $170 trillion of unfunded liabilities and $30 trillion of visible liabilities. At this rate, the only way out of this is to pay down that debt. Gade said that he sees two things happening. The first is a sovereign default crisis, which is a deflation event or hyperinflation, two extremes. The second thing Gade sees happening is the Inflation Reduction Act will most likely make things worse with nothing in there that truly solves our problem, a weak and flawed economic system. He is right. We have already shipped our manufacturing to other countries and exposed our intellectual property for others to steal. What will be left of us? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is Riskflex with Noble Gold News.